Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Let's Finance Your Freedom. So I really want to make a video regarding how to create images on your blog or on um, your your website, or it could be for your YouTube channels or podcasts, etc., or your book. So a lot of people have heard about Midjourney, and they have really great pictures that create by AI. It's just really stunning, very sharp and details images. So I just want to make a video about how you can generate create AI images from these beautiful platforms here. So this video is focused more on generating awesome art for your digital products or for your website or for your business. Okay. So the main thing, definitely, I want to say that Midjourney has one of the best quality that I have seen so far, and a lot of different platform has trying to match the quality, and I haven't, honestly, I've seen quite a few great places platform, but maybe it's the price. I'm not sure. Maybe different places they have offer you. Let's see how much it costs here. Okay, just get started on here on the pricing here. I mean, subscription plan. Okay, so they give you a free trial, lifetime. Here, let's see. Let's see if it works out here. So subscribe to a plan. All right. So first, they allow you. Where does it say? Your starter plan. Look at that, included. We'll roll over. Switch to a plan. So this is a monthly renewal, and then I guess it's right here. It's $8 per month. It's not bad. It's Let me just say how much. You can do the standard plan. Let's see here. You get some credit here. So manage your plan, subscribe to a plan. So let's see how much it costs. The basic plan, 3.3 hours per month, fast time. Okay, so unlimited amount of time per month. So the standard plan has giving you 15 hours per month and $4 per hour. Okay, so usage right. Yeah, I guess they have all the same. Subscription plan. So basically they have subscription plan. You can also earn some free hours to play around with it. And I guess they calculate by hours. How many hours you get? You get bonus 5 hours. And for some people, if they each day top 1,000 images rated receive 1 hour free. Okay, so I guess they have a community feed and you can show your images and you can earn 1 hour. Bonus fast hours rewarded on top 1,000 raters each day. So they have an each day sort of thing. Yeah, so I mean, it's not bad if it's like $8 per month, which is pretty reasonable. Oops, where was I? Okay, let's see what it has here. Yeah, you can check out here, and that's going to be Midjourney. Okay, how many hours? Basically, the free trial for lifetime, they're giving you 0.4 hour, meaning, what is that? Almost between 25 to 30 minutes. 20, yeah, anywhere less than 0.5 hours, so less than 30 minutes per lifetime to try it out. And then you have to go to a subscription plan. Okay, now another platform called Smart. Okay, let's just say here you can do the basic plan for $19 per month, 1,000 images generation. You do, what I like about this one is that you have tune. What is it? Tune. It has images and inspiration, save presets, all the stuff. Wonder where does it say with tune? Here we go. Tune. Create AI avatar for your images. So basically, you create images that has your face in it. Let me see. And that's pretty cool. So I think you want to check it out, this platform, it's really cool. Get started. Explore. Let's see. What else is here? So you can also, yeah, look at the images here. I mean, some of these are pretty cool. It's really great images. Can't go wrong with these here. So you just have to try it out and see what comes out. But compared to other platform out there, I really think there's also Jasper Art, and on here Jasper has incorporate writing with art together to help your article ranks better, and it also has a language translation, 25 languages, okay, and you can do the write the long form 5 times as fast, okay. And they can also help you optimize your content with Serve for SEO partnership. Oh, okay, so it's a partnership. So basically, you probably have to enroll into the partnership as well, uh, Jasper and Serve for SEO. So yeah, the thing that I like is that it's trying to help you with writing and art, and then ranking as well. So you can try it out and get your first 10,000 words for free. Okay, right here, 10,000 words, special free trial offer. Claim your 10,000 words for free. So I'm going to put the link on the description below so you can check it out to see. I really appreciate you try any of these. Let me know what you think. It would help the channels. This is a more of affiliate links, but if you gonna sign up anyway, you can always use my links to help us to spread the words of how you can grow your wealth on the internet by helping other people reaching their goals. So let's just say that you want to do writing or do art, create art, then definitely um, check it out. These platform here that you can use to help you grow, and you can also do both. You can do create a blog. You can start with a blog, and you sign up for these website here, um, and some of the extra credit you can see if you can write an article for another platform like Hire Writer or Fiverr or Upward to help you. So this is a platform I really recommend if you want interactive um, website. Okay, so you can pretty much drag and drop on here. Animations, interaction, responsive website for your devices. So yeah, I think they were ranked like #1 on Product Hunt or something recently. And you can do e-commerce, you can do mailbox, and what is it, member pages on here as well. So I just want to show you what they have on the premium plan. So you're interested, this is, you can try it out for free, but they have ads on here on the first one. What I like about this one is sometime in the beginning, it might take you some time to get your website running. And so try it out for free, even though it has their ads on there. And you can try it out with multi-language website. You can try it out with a blog, password protected pages, membership page. The only thing you can't, some of the things you can't do is e-commerce, online payment, and sell your digital product. You can only do it with this the business plan here. But remember that they're giving you a lot. They're giving you SSL certificate. They're giving you um, membership pages and password protected pages and all this stuff here with e-commerce. Because remember, even if you sign up for them separately with other places, you have to pay for your membership plug in. You have to remember you have to pay for e-commerce. Other places charge anywhere uh, 20 to 20 to $30 to get an e-commerce up and running. Okay, and what else is here? And then you storage and yeah, password protected pages. If you want to have your members go in and be able to log into that website X, Y, and Z to help them um, something, then definitely this is going to be a great place to start. And this is a monthly for monthly the price per month, but it's for an annual subscription. Remember, it's an annual subscription. So they're giving you 30 days to try it out, guarantee with the premium plan. But you can definitely try it out first and see if it fits your business model. And I hope that you have a chance to check out some of these great platform here to to see if it's gonna help you on your business to make it faster. Okay. One thing I really want to highlight is that Jasper also help you with your YouTube, your script writing, um, your ideas, creations, and all that stuff, and sometimes helps with translation. So let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Would love to hear what you have to say about if you try these platforms and what has been working for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more of these type of video on my channel. I'm talking about investing. I'm talking about real estate, about online business, free forever plan. If you're interested, I have some of these great platform, free forever plan, online business like what do you call it? There's Vonza, there's System. There's a lot of I also see a lot of people interested in app building, no code app building website. So I might be making some video about no code app building for your website, for your business, for your YouTube channel. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.